One of the standout features of the Zastone D9000 is its hassle-free installation process. Unlike traditional car radios or communication systems that require complex installation procedures, this walkie-talkie can be effortlessly installed in a matter of seconds without the need for any tools. This convenience ensures that drivers can quickly set up the device and start communicating without delay. The Zastone D9000 Car walkie-talkie radio station redefines in-vehicle communication with its combination of ease of installation, durability, versatility, and advanced features. From its hassle-free setup to its robust construction and impressive performance, this device is a must-have for drivers seeking reliable communication solutions on the road. Whether for personal use or professional applications, the Zastone D9000 delivers unparalleled convenience and peace of mind for drivers everywhere. Beyond its user-friendly design and durable construction, the Zastone D9000 boasts advanced features that elevate its performance to new heights. With a powerful 50W UHF-VHF transmission capability and a wide frequency range of 136 to 174 MHz and 400 to 520 MHz, this walkie-talkie ensures clear and reliable communication over long distances. Whether navigating remote areas or busy urban streets, drivers can count on the Zastone D9000 to keep them connected at all times. The Zastone D9000 is designed to be compatible with most vehicles, offering versatility and flexibility for drivers of all kinds. Whether installed in a compact car or a spacious SUV, this walkie-talkie seamlessly integrates into the vehicle's interior, enhancing communication capabilities without taking up valuable space. Additionally, the size of the vehicle can be easily adjusted by simply adjusting the volume, ensuring a customized fit for optimal convenience.